Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We multiply x squared on numerator and denominator. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x to the power of 3. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. You got about 3x squared dx. Next, because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u, and u s squared dx we change by this one. And you got like this. Now we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over u, capital B over u plus 1 square, and capital C over u plus 1. Because we have the power 2 in here, that's why we need to create about 2 fractions, but with the reduce the power from number 2 to number 1. Now we do common denominator. About this one, that is missing about u plus 1 to the power of 2. So capital A multiplied by u plus 1 to the power of 2. Capital B is missing about u, so we need to have bu. Capital C is missing about u plus 1 and u. So we need to multiply like this. And this one, you got this one. Now we need to expand this one, and we have u squared plus 2u plus 1. This one, you got about u squared plus u. And now we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u squared, we have a plus c. About u, we have 2a plus b plus c. About the number, you got about a. So if we look carefully, we just have only 1 over 3. So capital A equals to 1 over 3. We don't have u and u squared in here. So this one equals to number 0. And this one equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus c equals to number 0. 2a plus b plus c equals to number 0. A equals to 1 over 3. And now we need to find the solutions of a, b, c. So a equals to 1 over 3. B equals to negative 1 over 3. C equals to negative 1 over 3. And now we put the value A, B, C go in here. So A equals to 1 over 3. B equals to negative 1 over 3. C equals to negative 1 over 3. And now this one, you got about 1 over 3. Ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, you got about 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over u plus 1. And the last one, that's about negative 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And we put about c in here. about you, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.